Good morning, everyone. Jason here again. It's market recap day, February 16th of 2018. The markets are turning around. There's a lot of great bull signals in Bitcoin as well as Ethereum and Litecoin. So a lot of great things are happening over the past couple days. We've had a pretty nasty bear turn for the past probably 3 weeks or so, actually a little longer, and it's good to see some rebound of that. Chinese New Year is today, so if you're from China, Happy New Year to you. The market capitalization is back over 480 billion. It was down as low as 300, so it's great to see it rebound almost back to $500 million. The cryptocurrency count is still up, which is good. We're still gaining coins, 1,542 over 8,894 markets. That's a great thing. This statistic right here and this statistic, the Bitcoin dominance, are the two biggest concerns. The market cap is always big because that shows the total amount of volume in terms of dollars that are invested. But if you look at the actual counts here, these are all going up. Even during the bear turn, the downtrend, it continued to grow. And that's good because when you continue to grow, even in a bear market, that shows a great sign of longevity in terms of growth potential. The Bitcoin dominance is still at 35.5. And what that means is that people aren't just dumping money into Bitcoin because it's the new fad. It's great because they're putting those monies into other coins, okay? And I'm going to talk about some of those today. I'm also going to give you a quick ICO update on a couple coins that I've been doing. Before I get into that, I just want a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial planner. I am not your financial advisor or planner. Please do your own homework. Do your own research. Knowledge is power. The more knowledge you have, the more power you have, and the better investment decisions you're going to make. I've had my fair share of blunders. Don't think I haven't. So please make sure you do your own homework. And if you're not sure, hire a professional, which I am not. That being said, the markets are looking pretty good today. Yesterday we were green across the board. Today is also another green day for most of the cryptos out there. Verge is having a great day. Tron is having some great. They got some great news coming out soon. I don't know if I should say or not, so I won't. But I'll just say that Tron and Verge both have some exciting news coming. If you look at the crypto market calendar, that's a great place to go. Go to oh man, I think it's CoinMarketCal.com, I think. Just Google CoinMarket Calendar and you can look up what's coming. And I'll leave it there because it's speculative. It's based on users. It's not based on the companies themselves. However, Ripple had some great news yesterday. They've begun their partnership with Western Union to do money transfers via Ripple Coin. That is taking place very soon, actually. They actually signed the deal. And so that is definitely going forward, and that's a great step for Ripple. If you're a Ripple fan, I am a Ripple fan. I know it's anti-crypto in terms of the regulation and the stuff that it wants to be centralized, so it's a little bit different than normal cryptocurrency. But I think for Ripple, this is a big step because this will prove to the banking industry on a user-end model that it's functional. So it's a great step for Ripple. Congratulations to them. I hope it does well. I am holding Ripple, so I hope it does really well. I'm also holding some NEO, and NEO is having a great rebound. They were all the way back down into the 80s. So to see them back over 120 is huge. I think NEO is a great blockchain with a lot of great potential. And the spin-off coins that are coming out of NEO are creating a lot of buzz overseas. And that is why NEO is seeing such great strength, particularly with the Bitcoin rebound. So the markets overall are looking pretty good, which is a great thing to see. On to the ICOs. Lendex coin is an ICO I'm involved in. Round 15 just finished. Round 16 starts in about 35 minutes. If you're not into Lendex coin, I can tell you this is a lending platform coin. And as always with lending platform coins, any kind of lending ICO, you have to be careful because there are a lot of scams out there. Somebody did post a comment on one of my videos that the Lendex coin website and the logo and things are very similar to Hextra. Which turned out to be a total scam. So there is a lot of uncertainty amongst ICOs when it comes to lending platforms. So all I can tell you is to do your due diligence and do your own homework before you invest any money. I am invested in Lendex coin. Again, I could be jumping off a cliff. It could be another Hextra. It could be another Davor coin. But I don't think so. And the reason I think that is because they have changed what they are doing in terms of their roadmap. They've changed their lending stature. They have a video on their website if you go in. But basically what they've done is they've cut their limits to make the model more sustainable over the long term. Now, I still have yet to see this monetized, or the Lendex bot, this bot they're coming out with. And I'm not pro or con, there's a bot or not a bot. I don't know. All I know is if there's not a lending bot or a trading bot of some kind, then the whole platform is very suspect. So I'd imagine it's very much like a CoinCube type of thing where there is a trading bot that actually does trade. Again, I can't say for sure. I don't know. So far what I'm seeing is good. They're making the right changes to try to make themselves more competitive in the market. Their ICO is still selling out every day that it's open, and they are selling out quickly. So it's a great sign. There's a lot of strength in this coin just because there's a lot of user interest. And the more user interest there is in a token, the better. So I think that this has a decent future. Again, it's an ICO, and all ICOs can be a little bit, I don't want to say sketchy, but they can be a little bit, oh man, what's the word? Sketchy. But this one seems to be pretty solid. So, and then also the monetized coin just finished their ICO, and that is now over. And I noticed when I logged in today that they have actually opened their member transfers. So if you're a monetized coin holder, this is another lending platform ICO, only this platform, unlike having a trading bot, has an actual algorithm that does advertising on the internet, and that is what generates their revenue. So basically when you lend or when you create a campaign with Monetize, you are actually buying that algorithm. You are purchasing that algorithm's power on the internet to gather your return. So there's a little bit more of a solid platform in my opinion, just because they've explained what their actual algorithm is and what their bot is. So for me, it's a huge plus sign. But the member transfers are open, so you can transfer between users that have monetized coin if you have their address. I personally have not done it. I haven't had a need to do that. I don't need to trade my coins. So I did ask, though, if they had any plans to change their roadmap at all, or to push back the timeline, or if they've edited that at all. And they basically said, no, we're not changing anything. We're still going to come out with the staking and the campaigns and the and all that stuff right away. And then the external listings are coming on CoinMarketCap, and hopefully they will get those exchanges, the external exchanges, to get on board soon. So they're not changing their roadmap, and that's a good thing, because when ICOs end, they have a better gauge on whether or not they're going to make their timelines. And so far, it looks like they're going to be on their timelines, which is a great thing to see. So if you're in monetized coin, this looks like it's going to be a pretty decent coin for you. Again, I'm excited to see where this one goes. I think all of us are. And then I had one more I want to talk to you guys about, which has been around for a little while, and this one is different. This is not a lending coin. This is not any of those things. This is actual blockchain technology, and this is Dragon Chain. And I'm not promoting anything. I'm not trying to sell anybody anything. But all I know is that Dragon Chain is a blockchain it's backed by Disney. This is a Disney incubated project. Okay, it says that right on their website, right here. It's a Disney incubated chain, and it's basically going to give them a global network blockchain for their company. And anybody who knows anything about Disney, they don't do anything half-cocked. Okay, they really do things well, regardless of what it is. Doesn't matter if it's making movies or making cartoons or whatever Disney decides to do. Especially when it comes to marketing and data retention, Disney is a huge proponent of data. Okay, they use more data in more ways than probably any other corporation on the planet. Public, like a public entertainment corporation. There's nobody else that uses technology like Disney. So it's really exciting to see them get into a chain. And unlike other coins that are out there, they actually have they've been around for a long time, and now they're finally starting to hit the full platform and get that thing rolled out. So now as this starts to gain some steam, we're seeing a lot of uptick in their coin price. They're up almost 100%. They were $1, I think $1.12 the other day. I bought in some, and now they're over $2. So they were over $2. I'm not sure what they are today. We can look. But it's great to see them having a great couple days. Well, they're down a little bit. They were over $2 yesterday. So again, some pullback is probably expected, but there's a lot of buzz around this coin because this coin actually could be a great way to trademark and patent movies for like movie pictures and things. Imagine storing your movie on the blockchain where it can't be hacked. That may be really exciting to like Sony Pictures, and HBO and other places that have been hacked. That taking away that vulnerability, I think, is a great financial edge, and it would be great to see other studios follow suit, which I think they will, and they'll probably use Dragon Chain to do it. So I think this is a great buy. That's just my personal take on it. Again, I'm not telling anybody what to do or not to do. So other than that, that's my update for today. The markets are going pretty strong here. I don't see anything that looks really bad. In fact, most of the news coming out of CoinDesk looks really good. So we're going to watch this market throughout the day, and I hope everybody's having a great day today. And remember, if it dips, buy it, okay? Have a great day. If you have any questions or comments, please hit me up. I have a Facebook group, the Crypto Army. You can join that on Facebook. You can share your story. I'd love to hear from you. Please like, subscribe, and share. Have an awesome day. Thank you.